All the mirrors in my house were like from here, and what do I need to see the rest of my body for? I was fat. I decided to change my life. I lost over 50 pounds on the Slim Fast.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm near Highmog, and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Loransport, Gadansburg, Columbia, Highmog, Mount Pleasant, and Hampshire. Move to a room on the lowest floor that is away from windows.